Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about Friedel-Crafts acylation. The introduction of an acyl group into aromatic ring. This is most important method for the preparation of aryl ketone. For example, benzene combined with acyl halide in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, that is a Lewis acid, to form aryl ketone with liberation of hydrogen chloride. In the case of acyl halide, the order of reactivity is usually acyl iodide is greater than acyl bromide is greater than that of acyl chloride and acyl fluoride. Actually, this is opposite to alkylation reaction. The acylation can be carried out with either acid or acid anhydride. In this reaction, acylium ion act as a electrophile. Among halogens, iodine is the best leaving group in acylation. A bigger atom is usually polarizable. Among halogens, iodine is bigger in size, so it is readily polarizable. The reactivity order of halogen is iodine is more than that of bromine, than chlorine, and less reactivity of fluorine. In acylation, aromatic compound and acyl halide take 1 mole of quantity, whereas in the catalyst take more than 1 mole of quantity required, because the first mole coordinates with oxygen of the reagent. So, this is some examples of Friedel-Crafts acylation. First one is benzene combined with acyl halide in the presence of aluminum chloride, that is anhydrous aluminum chloride, to form more yield, that is 90% of aryl ketone. But in fused ring system gives very poor yield, that is very only 10% yield. Electron withdrawing group contain aromatic compound does not combine with acyl halide. Now we discuss about application of Friedel-Crafts acylation. First one is, generally the Friedel-Crafts acylation is mainly used for the preparing different aromatic ketones. For example, benzene combined with acyl halide in the presence of Lewis acid to form aryl ketone. Similarly, toluene combined with acetyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride to form para-toluene methyl ketone. Then phenyl acetyl chloride combined with benzene in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride to form benzyl phenyl ketone. Second application, the acylated product can be converted into alkyl benzene by Clemmensen reduction. The introduction of straight chain alkyl group in aromatic ring by Friedel-Crafts alkylation is difficult because of rearrangement. Then third application, the products of acylation can be sometimes cyclized under mild conditions. This can be used in the preparation of higher carboxylic rings, that is Haworth synthesis. For example, phthalic anhydride combined with benzene in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride followed by concentrated sulfuric acid to form anthraquinone. Fourth application, the acyl derivatives of heterocyclic compounds can be prepared by using other catalysts like stannic chloride, phosphoric acid. Here, furan combined with acetyl chloride in the presence of stannic chloride to form 2-acetyl furan. Then 2-naphthyl methyl ketone can be prepared by using naphthalene in the presence of acetyl chloride and nitrobenzene act as a solvent. Sixth application, some polynuclear hydrocarbons cyclizations can be prepared as follows, that is benzene combined with succinic anhydride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride to form beta benzyl propionic acid. This compound further reduced in the presence of sodium amalgam with the HCl to form phenyl butanoic acid, then followed by corn sulfuric acid and Clemmensen reduction to form tetraline. Similarly, benzene combined with phthalic anhydride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, here carbon disulfide used as a solvent to form orthobenzyl benzoic acid, then followed by corn sulfuric acid and zinc catalyst used to form anthracene. So this is some information about Friedel-Crafts acylation. Thank you, friends.